Always pray that Allah makes you satisfied and happy with whatever He has decreed for you. Be a good person, but don't waste time to through it, because time will through you itself. Beautiful faces are everywhere, but beautiful minds and hearts are hard to find. The wrong people will always teach you the right lessons. A mistake that makes you humble is better than an achievement that makes you arrogant. A powerful person is someone who converts fears into confidence, setbacks into comebacks, excuses into decisions, mistakes into learnings. If you try to chase two rabbits, you will not catch either one. First, you need to make a decision and choose which rabbit you want to go after first. The pessimist sees difficulty in every opportunity, but the optimist sees the opportunity in every difficulty. You learn more from failure than from success. Don't let it stop you. Failures build character. The more you face the challenge, the more you get the opportunities, and the more you evolve dominant. Some things take time, stay patient, stay positive. Things will get better. Your mind is a magnet. If you think of blessings, you attract blessings. If you think of problems, you attract problems. So always cultivate good thoughts and remain positive. That's the human nature. We don't appreciate the things that we have. Until they are gone, then we remember.